This machine shows you how strong you would be as an animal. By pulling as hard as you can, it not just calculates how much weight you pulled, but also which animal it compares to. So I took the biggest and strongest friend that I have to see if we can reach the animal at the top. So after the instructor told us that we first have to step on this plate, which then calibrates your weight, it's my time to go for it. I have never done something like this. The only thing coming close to this would be my deadlifts. And by pulling as hard as I can, I'm kind of starting to look like this animal, which is hopefully not an indicator for my strength. But by pulling 229 kilograms, I'm basically a panda now. But now it's Brutus's turn. He's a French powerlifter who does this in his workouts. And with the instructor pushing him, he also can't reveal the animal on top, but becomes basically a wild hog. So what animal is at the very top? I found a video from the same machine where they use a bar instead of handles, which is a bit easier. Almost as easy as hitting 5 million with your help. But this guy actually reaches the top animal, which is, of course, the strongest animal of them all.